Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing my updated wash day routine. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys my new routine, what exactly I'm doing, some of the modifications that I've made in the past 2 years, and also the products that I use at the present time. This is what my hair is currently looking like, full blown quarantine. I can't even tell you how many days it's been put up into this exact same bun. I've just been combing the sides of my hair to make it look nice when I go outside, which is very rarely. So my hair is desperately in need of some major detangling, some major love, and a good wash. So let's jump straight into the video. I like to start off by parting my hair. I always used to start off by parting my hair. It's really essential for you to part your hair and to section your hair when you're working with natural hair, especially the kinkier types of natural hair, the tighter curls. Now these days I like to use bigger sections, so I like to separate my hair into about 4 or 6 instead of separating it into like 12 different sections. I've just found it saves more time and there's really no need to be separating it into all those sections. So after I've done that, back in the day, I used to begin combing out my hair. This is a big no. Now I like to wet my hair. You do not work on dry natural hair, and you especially do not comb dry natural hair. So now I like to start off by wetting my hair first. Usually I will be doing this in the shower, but unfortunately there will be no shower scenes this time around. There was some in the last video, so if you want to see some shower scenes, you can see it in the last video. So I like to start off with my shampoo, and I'm using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. Damn, it's so long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lather that onto my hair, onto my damp hair, really making sure that I penetrate the scalp. So as you can see here, I really try and make sure I get my hands into the scalp and I begin just working that predominantly through my scalp area, because that's where the majority of the dirt actually is. So you really want to make sure you get majority of the product in the scalp area and you really massage and dig deep into that scalp area. So I discussed this in my other wash day routine and I'm going to discuss it again in this one. So the reason why you focus majority of your product and majority of your energy on the roots is because your oils and everything come from your scalp. So that's where the buildup and the dirt and the product buildup is. The rest of your hair will eventually get washed through the cleansing and everything like that, but you really need to focus your time and energy, especially if you're running out of time or you don't have that much time to do your wash day routine. It's really important for you to focus majority of your energy on your scalp because that is the dirtiest part of your hair. And then now that my hair is clean and there's no dirt or debris, I can start sort of opening up my hair follicles to put in the correct product and to detangle. So what I'm going to be using to detangle is my Dark and Lovely All Natural Not Out Detangling Conditioner. And this conditioner I found has been really nice for my hair. My hair does like it for detangling. My hair is actually damp. It's not soaking wet, but it is damp. And after the hair has been thoroughly coated in the product, I'm going to start finger detangling my hair. And with this finger detangling, I use really small sections of hair. So as you can see here, I pull out a little bit of the hair and then I start combing through that small section. Then I take out a little bit more, then I start combing through that small section again, just to make sure that I really detangle that area and I can focus primarily on that small bit of section so I don't cause any damage or any breakage. As you can see in my last video 2 years ago, I used to just rake my fingers through my hair, and this was damaging to my hair. I always used to get split ends and I never understood why. That's the reason why, because you're just breaking your hair when you're raking through it like that. So you really need to make sure that you take small sections and slowly detangle with your fingers in control of exactly what you're doing, so that if you see a knot, you can stop and focus on that exact knot. Back in the day, I used to go in with the tangle teaser after this, but the tangle teaser is actually my third step. Now I go in with a wide tooth comb and I make sure that I just comb through the hair with the wide tooth section. Then lastly, after I've done all the detangling and combing through with the wide tooth, I go in with my tangle teaser. And when you can go through with your tangle teaser with ease like this, that's how you know that that section is done detangling. So then obviously I repeat that step through all the sections of my hair. This is a really thorough detangling. I don't do this every single time I wash my hair. I do it at a time like this where I haven't taken care of my hair for a really long time and I know that I have a lot of knots and tangles. So after I've done that, I let my hair out and then I wash it with cold water. I'm going to dry my hair with a microfiber towel. I find that microfiber towels are a lot better than normal towels, so if you can get yourself a microfiber towel, it will really help. Then after I have washed out the conditioner, I'm going to go in with another conditioner, the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Conditioner, and I'm just going to put that on my hair and make sure that my hair is thoroughly coated in the product. Then I'm going to add on top of that my Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Mask. This is going to be the foundation of my deep conditioning. After I've made sure that my hair is really coated and has a lot of product, I'm going to re-wet my hair because deep conditioning works well with a little bit of moisture. So I knew my hair was a little bit dry at this point. So I re-wet my hair a little bit and then I put my cap on. After washing my hair, I'm going to go in with my LOC, my lock method. For my liquid, I'm going to be using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I haven't changed since 2 years ago, still using the same one. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my oil, and I'm using jojoba oil from Organics Suku. I'm just using your basic coconut oil. This is a different brand that I've just put in this container. And then also I'm going to be mixing that with some avocado oil. And this avocado oil is from Tia Organics. So I'm going to mix those 3 products in the palm of my hand and warm them up so that they become an oily consistency. Then I'm going to lather that onto my hair. Obviously trying to make sure that I get the product on majority of my hair, sectioning where necessary. Then after I've put my oil in, I'm going to go in with my cream to seal everything in. And the cream that I'm using is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And I'm just going to use that on my hands and wet my hands a little bit, and then I'm going to lather it in my hands and apply it to my hair to just seal everything that I've put in. And this is just what I do with my hair. If I'm going somewhere, I don't want to wear my afro out, usually I'll put it into some 2-strand twists or some cornrows or any protective style. At the moment, my hair is looking a little bit grey. That's because I've just put product on it. But you'll find that all that product seeps into the hair and your hair will be back to its original color. So yeah, This is my updated wash day routine. As you can see, my curls are popping, the shrinkage is there, my hair is looking really healthy and really clean. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below and like the video if you like the video, and I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.